Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Gucci Quartz watch. So as you can see, we have the model with the time only, so we do not have a date complication. So in our case, all we need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and here we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction in order to set the time. After you have correctly set the time, so we have the hour hand and the minute hand, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in order to finalize the process. And voila, I have set the time on my Gucci Quartz watch. In case you have a date complication, I have a full guide with how to do that on watches that have a date complication as well. There are going to be a few principles that you need to follow, so make sure to check the link in the description box below as well. And in case you want to know how to replace the watch battery on your Gucci Quartz watch, I will also post a full guide, link in the description box below. So that was the quick video that I had for you today, guys. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also if you would like to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this very beautiful vintage Gucci Quartz watch. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.